Hey, hi there, Manisha. So I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you with the Gmail integrations and automation. So yes, I can do it. I have a wide range of experience and I built so many automations around Gmail using its own native APIs or integration platform like Zapier and Make.com. I'll quickly walk you through each of the options. So first of all, this is Gmail Workspace APIs, and here we can control Gmail completely. So these APIs can be connected with any code like Python, JavaScript, or maybe we can use some other options as well. And we can control Gmail completely using send email, upload attachment, mailbox settings, and everything. The simplest way using Gmail is kind of platform Make.com or Zapier. So here I'm going to showcase you a couple of projects that I have done. First of all, the Gmail app look like this. So over here you can see it has watch emails. So whenever there is an email coming in, it can instantly watch that email and run through the entire scenario. Plus we can copy email, create draft, delete, put some labels on emails, as well as we can edit attachment, and those attachment can also be used in the respective other parts of the automation. Now I'll quickly showcase you a couple of projects that I've done. So over here, this project include the trigger starting from monday.com. So when there is a board item get updated, we are getting that item out, we are getting that file attached with that particular item and sending out to the respective email, whatever the condition satisfies. So the emails or these automation can even look like this beautiful. Now, secondly, we can also modify Gmail email labels. So over here, some order or invoice is getting watched from Xero and updating email trigger or label over here. Then this automation I created to fetch files from Gmail attachment, then uploading them on Nextcloud as well as ClickUp. Over here, taking data out from Gmail using text parser and adding that into Google Sheets. In this particular automation, this was a really good example. So you should see this. Here I added a mail hook inside Gmail. So as soon as email arrive, it's going to get that content, putting that content to ChatGPT to figure out what is the product order or what is the detail of that email, and then based on that, creating a customer in Shopify, creating product and the order as well. Apart from this, I did many other automations like Gmail, Pipedrive to Gmail send out for the lead or deal creation. Gmail routing based upon different mailboxes. Then over here, when JotForm is getting updated, then the email is being sent out. Creating Google Doc from email, and then also sending out mass Gmails, mass mailing or mail merge using the Gmail module. So yeah, almost any sort of automations can be created based upon your business requirement. So do let me know if this excites you and if you'd like to work with me. As I said, I can work on make.com. I'm a gold partner there. I work on Zapier as well, a certified Zapier expert, or even directly on Gmail APIs using Python and JavaScript. So I would like to jump on a call to understand more about your project requirement, and let's see how it goes. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.